Cash Advance apps do not publish one universal approval rate, so the best way to compare them is by looking at eligibility rules, application steps, and how transparent they are about requirements. By the end, you'll know how to judge Cash Advance apps before applying, and what factors can improve your chances of getting approved. The first thing to check is eligibility. Cash Advance apps use different requirements, and an app that works for one person may not work for another. Before applying, read the app's requirements and confirm that your information matches what the service accepts. The second thing to review is the application process. A clear application usually explains what information is needed, why it is needed, and what happens after submission. Prepare your details before starting the application so you can complete each step accurately. The third factor is account verification. Many financial apps require users to confirm identity, account details, or other information before a request can be reviewed. Complete verification carefully because incorrect information can slow down the process. Another factor is choosing the right type of app. Some Cash Advance services focus on paycheck access, while others may have different ways of determining eligibility. Compare the features and requirements of each app before deciding where to apply. A common mistake is applying to multiple apps without checking the rules first. Each application takes time, and repeated rejections can make it harder to understand what needs to change. Review the reason for any declined request and use that information before trying another service. The apps that are easier to evaluate are usually the ones that clearly explain their process. Transparent apps show users what information is required, what steps are involved, and what conditions apply. Avoid apps that make approval sound guaranteed, because approval depends on individual eligibility and the app's own review process. Before choosing a Cash Advance app, check the fees, repayment terms, and available features. Understanding the full process helps you compare options more effectively. The goal is not finding an app that approves everyone. The goal is finding a service where the requirements fit your situation. To summarize, compare eligibility rules, understand verification steps, and review the full terms before applying. Your next step is to check requirements first instead of submitting applications blindly. If this guide helped you understand Cash Advance apps better, like the video, and subscribe for more practical finance app reviews.